Spielmaker from Norfolk Southern, and we're out here this week doing some track replacement here in Metairie. We're replacing both tracks, all the rails, and some of the things that secure the rail to the ties.
This is a super single rail gang. We replaced the old rail and put new rail in. That's taking care of worn out rail. I mean, that's what we're here for. Bad joints, bad welds, and we're here to make the railroad new. The work will be done by Thursday, and with the rail gang, the crossing should be able to be paved after we get finished and opened at the end of the day Friday.
Here's a really unique spot because this section of track actually handles all four railroads, including the public belt here in New Orleans. It takes a lot of coordination to get this done, and that's why it's important. This work is a little bit inconvenient, but it helps keep the railroad safe. It helps give the citizens of Metairie brand new crossings, nice and smooth. And it's important to know that the railroads are private companies. This takes no tax dollars. This is all paid for by Norfolk Southern, all the contractors out here, all the workers out here, and we appreciate everyone's patience while we get it done.